Welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial. Today we are going to design a simple fruit basket design in SolidWorks. So let's see how we create this model in SolidWorks. And in this video I will tell you so many commands like surfacing command, like extruded boss base, trim command and many more. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. To create this part, so here go to the file, so select this menu and select the file, and here select new, select part, then OK, and change the background to plain white, and here select the top plane, right click sketch, and make the center rectangle from this origin point. So select here and select center rectangle, and from this origin point make one center rectangle up to here. Now go to the smart dimension. This length will be 150 mm, so make it, and this one 90 mm, and here we apply the fillet of 5 mm all the corners. So it's better to select the fillet, and here we select 5 mm and simply select, press left key and drag to all this rectangle faces, so it will be selected, then OK. Now here go to the surface command and select the extruded boss base and extrude from this sketch up to this one will be 100 mm, and we apply the draft outside of 25 degree. So we apply the draft on this extruded surface, then OK. Now here we filled this surface, so it's better to use filled surface. So select fill surface and it will ask patch boundary, so select all these corners, select here, and this last one, so it will be selected this portion, then OK. Now we fill this surface here, and again go to the right plane, so it's better to select front plane, and here we select this sketch, then normal. Go to the circle and make the circle here, go to a smart dimension and make this circle 10 diameter, and from this point and this point this gap will be 10 mm, and select this point, select this point, and this gap also 20 mm, so here we make the circle of number of circle will be 13, So here we use linear pattern. So select here and select linear sketch pattern and simply select this and make the gap between this 15. And make this 13 number. So it's make 60 mm gap between this circle. Then okay, again select the circle and make the circle here. Make sure it is vertical. Go to the smart dimension and make it also 10 diameter, and from this point and this point the gap will be 16. Now again go to the linear sketch, make it also 16. So again select this circle and here we make also one circle here. Go to the smart dimension and make it also 10 diameter. Select linear pattern. Here we select this circle. Then okay. Now again select this circle and make the circle from here. Make sure it is 60 mm gap. Select this one and make it 10 diameter and also make it 10. This gap also 16. Again select the circle and make the circle here. and from this point this gap will also 16 mm. So here select the linear pattern and it will ask entities, so select all this circle, the gap will be 16 mm and make up to here. The number of instances will be 9, then OK. So again select linear and here we select this one, the gap will be 16. This is not selected, so I think we make it separately. And make it 16 mm. The intensity will be 9. Select and make it 9, then OK. Now here we create this sketch and again we make this trim to this sketch on this surface body. So here go to the surface command and here we select trim surface. Here we select the standard and trim tool, it will selected this sketch and here we select this face, so it will be selected both side and it will trim this portion, then OK. So look how we trim this part in this surfacing and again select the right plane, sketch and normal, and here we select this center point straight slot, so select this one and make it from here, make sure it is horizontal, select this one and make it horizontal. Go to the smart dimension, this length will be 80 mm and from this point and this point, this gap will be 20, and this radius will be 10 radius. Then okay, now here we also make the trim surface on this face. So go to the surface command, select trim surface, and here we select the standard. It will select this sketch. So here we simply select this extruded surface, so it will delete this portion. Then okay, now again select the right plane, sketch, and make it normal. Here we also make the circular sketch here, so select and go to the smart dimension. This circular also be 10 mm, and from this point and this point, this gap will be 10 mm, and from this origin point and this point, this gap will be 55 mm, and here we make the 8 number of instances. So go to the linear sketch. Here we select this sketch, and make the distance 16, then okay. Now again select this circle and make the circle here. Go to the smart dimension and make it also 10 diameter, and from this point and this point, this gap will be 15.5 mm gap. Now again go to the linear pattern, and here we select this circular profile, and this gap also make it 16, and number of instances will be 8. Now again select this circle and make the circle from this point. Make sure it is vertical to this line, and again select this one. Go to the smart dimension. So here select this circle, press with shift key and select this both circle and make it equal. Then okay, here we select this point and this point, this gap also 15.5. Again select this one and make it 15.5 mm. So here go to the linear pattern, so entity to pattern, so select this circular profile, and here we also make the gap 16 mm and make the number of instances will be 6 number. Again select linear pattern. Here remove this selection, select this circular and make the gap here 16 mm, and also make the pattern, number of pattern 6 number. then OK. Now here we make the trim feature on this face also. So go to the surface and select the trim surface. So it will select this sketch. So here we simply make the keep selection and select this extruded surface. So it will be automatically selected all this portion where we trim this part, then OK. So we make this sketch here. So here we make the plane on this edge. So go to the features, select this one and make select plane. Here it will ask first reference, so select this edge, then OK. Select this plane, sketch, and here we make convert entities and select separately all this line. Select this one, this, then OK. So here we exit the sketch. Now select this right plane, sketch, then normal, and here we make the sketch. So select this line and from this point make this line up to here and simply select and drag and make the arc up to this one. Go to the smart dimension and this length will be 6 mm and this arc will be 9 radius. And from this point and this point so its distance will be 14.49. So here we exit this sketch and here we apply the swept boss base command. So select swept boss base and we select this sketch. First of all select this, select swift boss base. Here it will so here go to the surface command. We use solid surfacing, so it will not working. So here select swift surface and here we select this sketch and select this path. So simply select this, so it will be selected and then OK. So hide this plane. So look, and again we make this one net surface to join all this surfacing. So go to the net surface, select this sketch, select this one and this boundary surface also. So here we make the thickness, select the thickness and make the thickness 2.5 mm. Then okay. So apply the material, go to the appearance, and select plastic, select this one and drag here. So look, and again we make the fillet of 4 mm here. So go to the features, and select fillet and make the fillet of 4 mm to this edge. And also make the fillet here. So go to the fillet and select this edge and select the fillet up to this. Then okay. So look how we create this simple basket, fruit basket design in SolidWorks. And if you want to apply the motion to this one, so go to the motion study, select animation wizard and select here rotate model, next, and make the duration 10 seconds, then finish. Then okay. So look how we rotate this model in SolidWorks. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for more video and project. Thanks for watching.